Hello and welcome to the overview of WordPress. In this video we're going to go over just the pages that your users and customers will see. So the first thing to do is go up into the address bar here and just simply type in your domain name. Once you're done with that, hit enter and this will take you to your. Once you're on your blog, you can see that this is what's called the home page. This is typically the landing page. When somebody searches your website, they'll land on this page. And this page can have anything on it that you want. So we have a video and then some text. We have types of service that this business performs. We have the contact information, and then we have a slideshow. It's really important that you notice that there's going to be ads throughout the site. Do not click on any of the ads on your own site. The people that put ads on these sites will ban you and take the ads off. And these ads are actually helping with your SEO Google search rank, so we want them on the site. So on the bottom left of the screen, you have this little menu icon. This basically shows you the same menu as you see above. So users have multiple ways that they can navigate your site. So as you see, we have home, portfolio, about us, some frequently asked questions, we have our blog page, and we have a contact page. Right here on our portfolio, this is where whenever we add a new photo album to our website, there's going to be different posts like this one. And basically all we're going to do is we're going to have photo albums here. The best way to view a photo album is just to click on one of the photos, and now you can have a full screen and you can just hit the left or right arrow to scroll through these photos. And then there's an X on the top right to close it. Another important thing to think about on this site is on the right side we have our recent posts. This is all the blog posts and all the photo albums. And then we have the archives. And you can see that we also have some social sharing icons over here. If a user clicks on these, they'll go to your social media sites. Now with the About Us page, this basically tells your customers about you. And this needs to be very personal. It needs to tell a story, and it needs to get users and customers to basically engage with you, your story, and your mission. We also have a place where users can basically log in and comment on most of your posts. Alright, the frequently asked questions page is very important. This page is going to let your customers see what your frequently asked questions are. That way they don't need to ask you about them. They can see them on this page. So in later videos we'll show you how to add and update these frequently asked questions. And this is basically so you have to do less work in order to get a customer. The more of these you have, the better it'll be, because if you can answer all your customers' questions, the better for them, better for you. Now on this post, this is the blog post. And these can be separated in multiple different ways. But basically the more blog posts you have and the more you post, the more you'll be searched on Google and the more people will find you. And we'll go over that in later videos also. So as you can see in the blog, we have multiple categories that we can put the blogs in, and when you select the category, different blogs pop up. Right here is your Contact Us page. This is a pretty important page. A user will enter their name, their email address, and their phone number, and when they send that to you, you'll get an email with the user's message. That way you can contact them back. Alright, now these bottom ones are pretty important. The terms of service, privacy policy, and contact us. So in order for us to run ads to this page, we're going to have a terms of service and a privacy policy. Otherwise you're not going to be allowed to run it. So these are basically set up for each individual site on what the owner basically wants their legal information to say. There's nothing to change here unless you want to set up a different new site. There's a couple different things in each site that are custom to each site. And as you can see in the privacy policy, we have some more contact information so users can contact you. And that's it. That's pretty much the overview of a WordPress website. In the later videos, we're going to dive into this.